Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Storyboard That assignment in your Schoology dashboard. Now, if you already have Storyboard That as an app in your Schoology, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Now, as you can see, I am already in Schoology. First thing I want to do is go over to Courses and select a course. Now here we have materials selected in the left-hand menu. If we go over to Add Materials, we can find Storyboard That LTI 1.3. Now if we click this should bring us right into our Storyboard That app. Now from here we can create a brand new assignment from scratch. We can search a huge library of teacher resources, or we can add an assignment that we've already copied from Storyboard That. Now I would like my students to do the Storyboard That scavenger hunt. Now I've already copied this activity, so you can see it here in my library. Now, once I click this should add it right to the list of assignments in this course. Now, when I click on this assignment right here, I will be able to see the assignment's instructions, a sample of what the assignment looks like, as well as the students who are in this assignment right down below. Now, when my students start creating, I will be able to see their storyboards when I click on their name. So if we click on Lily Rose, I will be able to see her storyboard right here. Now I can view it this way, or I can click on Slideshow, and I can scroll through the whole thing in a nice presentation. We can click Close, and now I can also give her a grade. So if I click Grade here, I can select what it is, add comments, and then when I click Post Grade, this will be added to the gradebook in Schoology. And we're done. All right, now that is how you create an assignment and grade in Schoology. Now this is an important step because as soon as your students click into their assignment in Schoology, their Storyboard That accounts will be automatically provisioned. Thanks for watching. Bye.